Good morning, children. See, this is your grade 5 science gardening class. Okay, activity gardening. What is meant by gardening? See, we are learn how to plant a seed, how to sow a seed, how to grow a seed. Okay, this is what we are going to see in our today's class, gardening activity. Okay, see here I have given what are the steps we have to follow while gardening, while to sow the seeds. What are the steps we need to follow? All these is given in here. Okay, before going to deep into the gardening, simply have you ever visited any local market where they are selling vegetables, farmers bringing their products to sell to the consumers? Have you ever visited there? Have you noticed the fruits and vegetables they spread over there? Have you noticed? See, during the seasonal time, during April, May month and all, we are getting mangoes, lot many mangoes, different varieties of mangoes, Alfonsa, Himapasant, like the different varieties of mangoes we are getting, isn't it? See, all these seasonal fruits, in May month we used to get watermelons, muskmelons and that woody apples, ice apples means Nongu. Woody apples means Velambal. So all those seasonal fruits have enormous nutritional values. So you have to select such seasonal fruits and try to take that. Don't avoid all these traditional fruits. Don't only stick to that all that junk foods. See, pizza, donuts and all, you are sticking on to the taste. See, if you taste these foods, the taste we will never forget those seasonal foods taste. Nowadays they are selling Navapalam. So all these are very, very rich in nutrients. Okay, those nutrients are very much needed for our good health. So don't avoid, take all the seasonal foods, whatever is available. Okay. Then remember one thing, we are getting food to our plate. See, the food, the rice, dal, the vegetables, curry, salad, many things we are taking as food. Have you noticed how the food came to our plate? Those grains undergone long journey. After that only we are getting it. So these grains have lots of energy from the farmers. It utilizes that plants, soil nutrients, all those. It take very much effort to grow into a new plant. So you should not waste a single rice from your plate, a single vegetable. You should not waste anything. Okay? So the food is very much valuable thing. You should know the value of the food. So lots and lots of work is behind. The farmers, they spend a lot of time. So not only the physical, money also there. So you should not waste the food. Are you clear, children? So keep whatever you are keeping in your plate. You select what amount you need, how much you need it. So don't take a more amount. Okay, so take enough amount what you needed, then you take the food. So don't waste the food. Okay, shall we move to the gardening? See, before going to that, I will try to explain you what are the steps or involving a garden. See, first we have to take the field. See, during this lockdown time, we don't have a communication with the outside world, isn't it? So we plan some indoor garden. Okay. See, if you have any garden in your home, it's well and good. You can go direct to the field and you can sow the seed and water the plants, can grow it. If at all those things are not possible, what can be done? So we have to plan indoor gardening. So what we have to do for the indoor gardening? So you have to clean, take on, if it is outside field, clean the area. You have to turn the soil loosened. So if it is for indoor gardening, so you take a tray, okay, you take a tray like this, okay, so put soil over there. So remove the stones, whatever thing is there, those things, remove all these twigs, all these things, fill the tray with soil. The soil means, what are the soil you have to take? See, this is lumps we call soil lumps. You have to crush it like this. These are the soil lumps. Okay. So remove it. So level that area. If it is field also, we are leveling the field. How we are leveling the field? In the lesson also we studied, no, by ploughing the field, leveler and all, using the tractor. So here you level it like this, okay, remove the soil crumbs. See, in soil, here I took the soil which they are using for making buildings, no, that soil, and the ordinary soil, the garden soil, okay. So sand, soil and dried cow dung. So that is rich in nutrient. So dried cow dung means, so it won't have, this soil won't have many micronutrients. Okay. So we have to take dried cow dung. So you add all those things to there and mix it thoroughly. Okay. Mix it thoroughly by your hand like this. Remove all the soil crumbs and remove the small twig stones, and if any dried seeds are there, remove all those things and make a tray, that a soil bed. We call this as soil bed. Make it clear. Okay. Then make a soil bed. Then if you don't have you don't want to make this kind of bigger soil bed, means you can make it smaller cup like this also. Okay. What are the soil you have to select? Sand, soil and a little bit of dried cow dung and mulch also you have to add. What is mulch? Mulch. That means dried leaves and onion peels and all you have in your home, no? The onion peel, the fruit peel, very told, okay? Those things you make it compost. That means keep it in a soil for a long time, for 1 week or like that. So mix that peel with the soil. So after 1 week you can use that soil as a manure. Uramaga use pannalam. Okay, as a manure. This we called as mulch. Okay, dry leaves and waste from our kitchen, we can use it as mulching. So you can take it as big tray, or you can take a soil into small cups like this, or you can take a soil in small this coconut shell, no, coconut silt. You can take a soil in this. Okay, now we are going to grow small seeds in this. Okay. So how to select the seeds first? See here, I try to sprout some tattapairu, okay, then fenugreek seeds, vendayam, those seeds all there in it. We learn from our lesson, have you noticed which will come first from the seed, which will grow first? What is this? Which comes first is what? This is what? Radicle. Have you noticed that seed coat is there? See, I am showing the another one. The seed coat is completely removed. The seed coat is completely removed. Is it possible to view the cotyledons over there? Okay, cotyledons are there. Okay, so now we are going to sow these seeds. First, we have to learn how to make the seeds sprout. Okay, so for that, take a little amount of seed and soak it in water. Okay, so you can use it any kind of seeds like this. So this is kollu, harsh gram like that, okay, or fenugreek, or you can take some chilies and you can open it. We are getting the chili flakes, no? So like this, these chili flakes also can be used. So this seeds or this coriander seeds, okay. So this coriander seeds, you have to crush it, okay. You crush the coriander seeds lightly with your palm like this, okay. Crush the coriander seeds, and so this kind of seeds can be used. Or if you want to take any vegetables, means can cut the tomato like this. So this slice, see, these are the seeds of this tomato. These are the seeds. Okay, you sow it directly into the cup or tray which you selected. Okay, sow it directly. Then, so like that, you have to spray some soil over there. Okay, so all the seeds, whatever seeds you selected, soak it for these fresh vegetables and all, you can sow it directly. If you selected seeds, means you soak it for some time. That is for one night, okay, 8 hours. You soak it in water, then you sow it on the cup or tray, whatever you selected. So I tried the same. So these are the seeds which grown. See, so these are the seeds I grown. So you can try like this. So you can use the carrot also. So cut the tip. Have you noticed this is the growing tip of the carrot? Have you noticed this green color is over there, no? So you cut the tip of the carrot and you keep it in soil like this, okay? So sprinkle some water over there and it will start grow. So it is very much important, the plant. So you should not pour water over there. Okay, you have to sprinkle water. Okay, not too much water. So morning means, then that means mild sunlight should be exposed. You can keep it in windowsill. Windowsill means what? Jannal tittikal. Okay, you can keep it in windowsill or in your terrace. We call it as terrace gardening, like that. So mint also you can select. Mint leaves. So this it get dry. So the mint, we are using it for our chutney and all. No, you remove the leaves, but you can see the nodes, leaf nodes. No, so these leaf nodes should be planted straight to that. So you plant the seed. So these mint and all, the cup is not enough. You have to plant in a tray. Okay. So you say soak it. Don't simply insert it. You have to sow. Okay. Simply inserting is different and sowing is different. Sow it properly. That means the leaf node should be covered with soil. Like that you have to sow. So if you take potato, I want to grow potato, means you take a potato which is available with little sprout. Okay, see, this is stem. Potato is the stem of the plant. This is little sprout. So this sprout, okay, so keep it in the soil. So keep it in the soil, in the sprout, keep the soil, and over that you go sprinkle some water. Don't pour too much of water and expose it to sunlight often. It will start grow. But the tray is not enough. If you want to sow potato means, you have to sow in the field only. Okay. Then carrot also, if you have to want to sow the carrot means, you have to take a field. Okay, straight away go to the field and sow it. See, these chilies, corianders, fenugreek and all can be grown in the small pots, trays or cups. Okay, so this is fenugreek. So it can be sown in small pots. Fenugreek, there's what I said, coriander, okay, all those and all. If you want to grow onion also, take an onion. See, this is that root, okay, root of the onion. Okay, so this is the stem of the onion. Onion is the stem of the onion. Here the leaf will come. If you sow the onion in the field, okay, it will start grow. So everything won't come in within 1 week or 10 days. It takes long time. This onion, potato and all takes long time to grow. So you have to wait. Okay, but you have to take care regular interval. At regular interval you have to water the plants. You have to take care of the plants. Okay, without caring nothing can be done. Okay, clear children? So you can use that brinjal also. Get a what is it, fully matured brinjal. Okay, so these brinjals and all, it won't have that matured seeds. Fully grown matured palamma irukum illaya. So take that brinjal and cut it open and use those seeds for sowing. Okay, so this mint, coriander, chilies, it will give direct what is that, we can use it for our kitchen directly. So other things and all, if you are growing means, it won't give that much effect. So for indoor gardening I am talking. For indoor gardening, you straight away go for mint, coriander, fenugreek, chilies and all. It will give its result in very good manner. So if you have a land, that means a farmland or small field or backyards, okay, there you can grow potato, what is that, carrot, tomato, onions, all those things you can grow it in your backyards. So use your this time wisely and effectively, grow all the possible plants. Okay, so here I want to say one thing to our children. In Thirukural, Vallabha said, "Uludundu vaalvare vaalvar, mattror ellam toludundu pin selvar." What is that? Uludundu vaalvare vaalvar. So the farmers, not only the farmers, the man, இந்த மனிதர்கள் எல்லாம் உழைப்பை நம்பி உழுவதை நம்பி வாழ்கிறார்களோ அவர்கள் வாழ்க்கை தான் சிறப்பாக இருக்கும். So in this lockdown time, what are the things we are expecting? We doesn't need any hi-fi things, but all the things we can live without all those movies, malls, what are the other things apart from our main life, which we need more. We need food. It's the basic need of our life. So the food is a very much valuable thing in this world. So give value to the food. Don't waste the food. Okay, now we will see what are the steps. So we have to clean the soil what we are choosing and loosen the soil and water the soil. First to loosen the soil, then water the soil, then add some, what I said, dried cow dung and all you have to add, mulching and all you have to add, no? So add those things to the soil, mix that thoroughly with the soil. Then if the soil, you have to check the soil, is there any fungal growth over there? Okay, so remove all the dried seeds, all those things you remove, because what seed you want to grow only should be there in that tray. Okay, remove all those seeds and apply some little amount of salt, like that, a small urea, and if you are taking this, you apply all those things and add mulching, dry leaves and kitchen wastage, compost manure, green manure, and then now the tray is ready. If it is indoor gardening mix, you have to do all these in your tray, or it is in your outdoor gardening, backyard gardening, you have to do it in the field. Now the soil bed is ready to sow the seed. Then you sow the seeds and water the seeds properly. Don't pour water. Little by little sprinkle the water over there. And you have to check the climatic conditions. If you are keeping it in the tray, you have to keep it in windowsill in the morning and in the evening time, not in the noon time and all. So the sprout doesn't need too much of sunlight. Okay, it needs only little heat. Okay, so expose it to that sunlight. Then, so if you are sowing green, what is it? Coriander, chilies, that fenugreek and all, you can use it directly to your kitchen. These things are very, we can use it for making chutneys and all those things, you know. It's very good for our health. So you can use it directly. So you select first, as a beginner, you select such things and do it. Okay. So what are the small recap? Decide what you like to do. Okay, first. Then choose the tray location. Then plan your garden bed, soil bed. So if you need any, if you are doing outdoor gardening means you need some tools. So buy some garden tools. Then test your soil. So the soil, sand, ordinary building that soil, that sand, then ordinary garden soil and dried powder, those things. Prepare the soil, okay? Choose the right seed. We are trying to plant a seed means you have to choose a right seed. The seed should not have any hollow seeds. The healthy seeds you have to select. Okay? So the healthy seeds select and sow the seed and at regular interval of time water the seeds. Okay? Then take care and then enjoy your harvest. That means it grows and you can utilize for our kitchen. Okay, now enjoy your harvest. So some herbal plants which is also given here: aloe vera, tulsi, mint, coriander, fennel, ginger. Fennel means that is somgunda. So all those, these things why I given means aloe vera also it's very good for our health. We can grow it aloe vera. This you can cut it and you can sow it in the soil. It will grow. So those gels also good for our health. That's why in house, those who are following the traditional systems, no, they are tying the aloe vera in the front of the house. It's this aloe vera gel, inside gel can heal the wound very quickly like anything. Okay, so you can use it. So aloe vera also grow in small parts. Okay, so cut any thick stem of aloe vera, just keep it in the soil, it will start growing. So you try all these things, and as one request to your parents, please allow your children to learn how to grow the plants. So give your little hands to the exposure to the green world. Okay, thank you children. Thank you for watching. Please try to grow some seeds like this. Okay, thank you children.